everything we need?
We got everything, even socks.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go then.
Let's go. My hands are full. Open the door.
All right. Ready? Oh man, it's too bad it's raining.
Okay, time to head out.
All right, let's go, guys. Hopefully it's not raining down there.
Okay, let's go get some breakfast before we head out.
All right. Right now we're in the Jack in the Box. Eating our breakfast, and after this we're heading to LA. So that's my burger, and then she has the same one too. Damn, that's a big burger. Look at mine. I ate a big chunk of it already. Okay, right now we're here at Pyramid Lake. Okay, right now we're in what?
Inside the visitor center.
Visitor center, and they have a little place here. If you guys ever stop by here, check it out. They have all this stuff here. Look at the owl. Is that real?
Is it?
Is it real?
Is it real?
I think it's real.
It is real. Hello. It's just stuffed. It's a stuffed animal.
Red tail hawk. Man, that's awesome.
A water cycle exhibit.
Wow, this is pretty cool. Interesting. Hey, check this out.
Okay. Funny, like a little kid. Oh, I've never done this before.
Try again.
This is so fun. So fun.
In large cities along the coast, in the San Francisco, Los Angeles, and San Diego regions. But California has a water problem.
That's so cool.
We don't.
Wow, look at all this old stuff here. Check this out. Before it's just like this.
California has a water problem. We don't have a reliable natural water supply.
The impervious clay going right to the dam.
Big tools for a giant dam.
Temporary stockpiling area. Each type of material went to its own specific part of the dam, where it was dumped, spread, and packed down. Inspectors monitored the operation
Awesome.
to maintain quality control.
This is at Pyramid Lake. Hey, that's like the roller coaster we went to. Yeah, we rode. Hey, Ronald Reagan. Ronald Reagan. He's a good president. He created a lot of jobs. We're gonna go check out the back. Tour to the lake. Views the lake.
Yeah, view the lake.
We're gonna go outside right now. So this is the back door.
Look at the view.
So yeah, this is the lake right here. Oh, I can see the sign over there. It said no swimming.
Well, that's it for right now.
Okay.
We're gonna head on over to Los Angeles and see what we capture over there.
Yep. So come along.
Yep. We'll check out the Venice Beach to see how it is. Gotta find parking first though.
Okay, guys. Right now we're here in LA, and right now we stop at No. Right now.
No.
Yeah. Wow. Right now we.
Start was what?
Right now we're going to check out the Venice Beach. That's her new car. Okay, right now we're on the corner of Venice. Alright, let's go guys. Okay, here we are.
Running back. Because I'm awfully deceiving. I always say I'm fine, but that's not the true meaning. The walls are caving in and it leaves me with feelings. But the only one that matters is I won't be defeated. They'll keep talking, pray that I lost it. I keep it cool, my attitude stay frosted. And I'm intending to bring a revolution. There far too many problems, the false use